Tornado Watch number 89 remains in effect until 8 p.m. and now includes the following county: Kenosha, Wisconsin. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and
Holy
television
crap.
outlets, or internet sources for the latest
Average
weather
DVN
information.
moment.
Tornado Watch number 89
How many counties is that?
until 8 p.m. with
Golly!
time is 4:28 p.m.
Jeez.